this is XXX Unicorn. I'm so excited they came. Just Ghost Recon and Diablo Nemesis. I don't know which one's which, so I'll be unboxing Diablo Nemesis first. Let me just, I think it's this one. This is Coca-Cola, yay. And so that means this one's Diablo. I've been waiting. I got fast shipping thanks to Cool Deals and Pacific something. So let me get my address on the thing. And here it is, Diablo Nemesis. Because the box. So let's get to opening it. Open it from both sides. There are secret combinations. Here's the first one. Diablo Nemesis 100 RSF. And then the next one is Diablo Nemesis D125 CS. So let's get to opening this. Keep this. And start off the stickers and the thing. Stickers are awesome. Launcher. And then here's Diablo Nemesis. Oh my god. So, let me open up Nemesis. So here we are, Diablo Nemesis. You can see the panel. I'm going to switch it to mode. That's on free spinning. And then this is the free spin mode. Let me get the tracking tip out. Instructions, cares about tools, and what's this? Oh yeah, the stickers. Don't forget about the stickers. Okay. So let me just open up these little launcher. And XD Extreme Drive. Okay, let me switch it. It's on attack right now. Switch it so that. Stop! You do not have to see more. Stop. God. Turn these two. How do you do it? Oh, here we go. Do this and then you twist. I swear. Okay, here we go. Sorry for not having the camera up. that's how you do it. Okay, first, sharp, I think that's, and then semi-sharp. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Let me put the bait together. First, I'll do the free spin mode. Show you what the free spin mode looks like. I'm so happy I got this. Okay. So here's what the free spin mode looks like. And when you twist, the tip changes. And then now the normal mode. So I'm going to keep it on, I believe. Actually. Let me take this out of the box. I'm so sorry guys for the camera not being up, but I'm alone here. Yeah. I messed it up. And here we go. It looks kind of purple, but on camera it looks darkish because my camera. Well, maybe not. And then here we go. So I'm gonna put the stickers on and everything. Next unboxing is Desquithucoatl. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.